khel dung zuin sid le chung he gil nan vai hom ta nam tin gol si hai te na ku ki nam min choi sang ya za la ya hen do cheng pei phong so nga dai ve hi ve
wa pe khong pi chu su bu bang in lung khat lin pu du te bo na bang wa ngai ching sin dom pan sing di ne ao sing sang ga sing sing bang chi na holding a vai lo anakun te un cha bang ko ning li gam mong ge ichun patao ve
i gui zop sa
phung go ching chan zhou zhou khom tao te hungun hong sao vin salaya talai san che dâu gam tin lơ hay sao bay nên nắng xem phù mi ngân nô tăng khô lăng khom tao te ta bi da cha su min xem san sai phù mi lung kha thắc vật kê nhìn lung tiêu đi la ui khô mi
tunia zin guna ei pan pi u zin za uma ei pan pi u chuteng le kin nei pa ei pan pi holim nawin khat ve khut pola lain na beng ui tele mi pi hozo si anading den uhitin tuahi KSO Silong Anthem KWS Happy Valley Youth Fellowship huwa kuna inangai la diu ahi. And in the meantime, I request all the guests for a standing ovation when this KSO Shillong Anthem is being sung by the Happy Valley Youth Fellowship.
KSO Anthem is originally composed by Pu Late Vomboy Hang Sing and Pu Royal P Hang Sing, tuned by Golhang Thangolin Kipgen. respected dignitaries, Nule Pate Ho, distinguished guests, and my dear fellow student, freshers, and including all the member KSO Shillong, it gives me immense joy to welcome you to the 64th Freshers Social Functions of Kuki Student Organization in Shillong. This gathering is unlikely any ordinary celebration. For 2 years, our community has walked through this conflict and displacement, and the silence of such occasion was not of neglect but of survival. Yet today, by coming together, we affirm a truth that even in the harshest trials, our fellowship, our learning, and our culture cannot be extinguished. I am very humbled, I myself, and Dillal Haukip, to serve you as the host for this program, and it is my privilege to walk with you through this moment which is here today. I'm also joined by my co-host, Miss Tim. Could be Miss Tim Adinga, whose presence adds warmth and grace to these states.
Ahile tunia asom gup le li chan na Freshers meet hung la hozo se iheng ikom izet iveyato hozo se michom be bezong umai thayo hin hizejun nakoma hozo se chu chibai tin banzal kahin lan banghin nakoma ho chu chibai boso kayute le kichibai so kayuvin Freshers meet chibai tin banzal kahin langin chibai tin tongkai kahin sange iphat uzo se ikivai hom na ding hozo siu pathin hinga thando dingin Reverend D.H. Sontak chu aphat loadingin kahin kove
Thilmas ho chu gelda willang thilui ho jong chu ngai tu ho dawin nei vete min keiman thil tha khat kabolin tun hi che chu ahung podo e nang hon na het lo layu ham keiman gam mang noya lampi khat kasem do a nel di gam sunga vadung tampi kolon sa ding ahi pathine thui bon sa ding pathe boen tauna nei tele hingjing ton soda ki khel ngai lo ka pathe no tunin Kuki Student Organization Shillong asom group lelina Freshers Social Function phat che sa kum gu zen covid le gam sung boy na zala nakimang thailo tunia som gu leli veina nei musa na chunga ka ki pawin na milopi ka thang baw na hi pakai tunia hichi function na hin hosin bol ho organizing bol ho asar ho tu tiang le chief guest hi in functional president hi tu tiang le pakai nang main ama ho nein pia nalagawin na din pia ahung ki mangsa ding ho zo se hi nalopi na kapon do the na dingin nangin kakin ho ka program ho nalagawin nei din piwa manei puiwa asuboy thei zat chom akona nalungsen na to pakai ne piwa kitub sela kapat theiwa kitub sela kachai thei na diwin ka phaud ho ke ho iza kai weather hi jong le asunglang apulang hi jong le na khuda hin hanin na lo pinadingin ei huing pu kapakai Jesu Krista minin ka hong tau na hi amen
pi ho zo si ka ngai lut na sang pen chi be kan pi ma sapine Shillonga ana ke so lam kai yan lang member ana mol lem sa ho tuni ni kho in igel do to lonin zana ipiwe alau lungmong hamunga chung pathin koma achol dam uwa chule alagawu kipa le thanoma izala wa alat na divin ibon trawin lunglai gilin ana geldo hitin mi pi ho จำจะหงดิงโซเกวินลังอภัตายกติจัน อีขดบานเจเจอันดมุหิตินอันโมเลมตะสะโหลำกายโหเลเมมบาร์โหเกลโดนะพัดจำจานนเอวเตโอเลอภัตายเต่าตาโวขกิปะเอหิจันช่วยตายไกพัด
Ambassador to the KSO Silong 64th Freshers Social Functiona Hong Tha Lulepa Nuga Golang Member of Zosi Kazana Salam Kain Pima Sapene. Today, on this occasion of the 64th Freshers Social Function of the Kuki Students Organization Shillong, I take this opportunity to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Pu Lunsi Kipgen, IPS, Inspector General of Police, Government of Manipur, and former General Secretary KSO Silong. Our Honorable Guest of Honor, Pu Donald V. Thaba, General Secretary, Khasi Students Union Center Executive Council. Our Honorable Functional President, Pu Professor Royal P. Hang Sing, Head of the Department of Library and Information Science, and President of Kuki Research Forum. I also would like to welcome invitees from various organizations, the Sisters Organization, the members, parents, and freshers. On behalf of the Kuki Students Organization, I warmly welcome you all to the 64th KSO Silong Freshers Social Meet. Our guests, the chief guests, guests of honor, the functional president, are all inspirational. They all excel in their respective fields, and they are a role model for youths and students in particular. Thank you, Pu Chief Guest. Thank you, Pu Guest of Honor. Thank you, Pu Functional President, for sharing your valuable time to grace this occasion. I would like to add some more points here, especially for our Guest of Honor, Pu Donald V. Thaba. Kuki Students Organization Shillong was formerly known as the Kuki Students Union KSU. In the 80s, during the students' movement and the agitation in the state of Meghalaya, the leaders, the executive of the Kuki Student Union decided to rechristen the KSU to Kuki Students Organization, since there were many occasions where even the police confused between the KSU Khasi and the KSU Kuki. So we have shared a long history, especially in this state of Meghalaya. Our history committee and the fact-finding committee inform us that the first batch of students in and around Shillong were already there as early as in the 1920s. And formally, the students and parents organized themselves into a formal organization. They named the KSU in the 1957, changed again to AMI Student Union, Kuki Student Association, United Kuki Student Association, KSU again, and then later to KSO. Today, as we celebrate this occasion, I would like to also share some of the words which includes our connection, our relationship, especially between the KSU and the KSO, which I will be reading out from the message of our former president and former advisor of Kuki Student Organization, Professor T.T. Haukip. He is not here with us today due to his some official engagement, but he sent his message. So I would like to read out that especially for the guest of honor and the chief guest. At the outset, I regret not being able to attend today's 64th KSO Shillong Freshers Meet due to unavoidable circumstances. My heartiest congratulations to all the freshers. This is your day. I would like to welcome our respected guest of honor, the KSU General Secretary. My relationship with the KSU began in 1987 under the leadership of Ba Bul Lingdo, exceptionally intelligent and tough to deal with. I was the president of the KSU Kuki Student Union, then later changed to KSO. Both of us were KSU president. We had many meetings and discussed the violent situation prevailing in Shillong then. I request Ba Bul not to disrupt the classes and fought with other student bodies against the foreigners. We were always on the same page even on those days. We will continue to be on the page regarding protecting and preserving tribal land, identity, and culture. We look forward to your cooperation and leadership. Next, our chief guest, Pu Lunse Kipgen, former General Secretary of KSO Shillong, needs no introduction. He was one of the most powerful, dedicated, and sincere secretaries KSO Shillong has ever had, and perhaps its most romantic secretary. I must admit that Pu Lunse is honest, hardworking, disciplined, a man of principle, and a good writer and a poet. May everyone be in the safe hands of Almighty God. I wish the function great success. This is a message from Professor T.T. Haukip. As mentioned here, our relationship, the KSU and the KSO in particular, started way back in the 1980s, and even in the early 2000s, our former leaders and histories inform us that we were in a good relationship, especially during the presidency of Ba Paul Lingdo, who is the current cabinet minister in the state government. Pu guest of honor, as I have mentioned, Meghalaya, especially the Khasi society, has been a good host society for decades. We look forward to your cooperation. We look forward to your leadership in every aspect and challenges in the future. Tudi ni ko in, itilay mo na, anaki sa ibangin, kum sota, kum ngawal lang pi KSO Shillong in Freshers Meet, hichitabang munli na inabang tay tapovin, COVID hongumin, COVID umzawin, gala hongumin. Tuni in, hicho boy na chum zong le, mi pi hiza ki sukoma, Freshers Meet bang tay di nga umuhi, nule pate ho, sule, nunga gulang member ho, ikit ihapan daw, ikitukom zala hui zin, ibon chawin ichung chiva, ki patu zong kain say nahi. Hijikin imanu to kilonin, azawa hong kisay bangin, inabdin mo no ihesu kayuvin, hita banga kisukom ho hi, mo tay lo hi ta zin, tunia, ikisukom mo ba, kalekat ikihet tu ba, freshers ho, leka simtinga hong ho, kitup kel sa ilim ko mo ba, hichalay mo na hi kumpabepi, kiloy komding hi ziva, kalekat kihet tu ay kingay lut tu diw, ti daysa na zala, tu tsunga hi, Freshers Meet manding atumbea hong kihagot di sa hi. Freshers Meet imano to kilonin, ahong kalsong adia Shillong mo na first time ahong freshers ho. Tuniin, itilay mo na nang honi ko imanguvin, kumtum kumlizaw le, itilay mo na hindala adiwahiin. Naum sa sunguvahi, society hawina, kiloy kom na ho pata na lauva, lekasim na lamahiin, hawin ki khom dalam hin prayer sel ki khom dalam hin gun chu tai panjing diu ileka simna wa jong hoi ta ibol diu avelin ka hin tim kedin kum thum kum li sunga hi chelai mona hi kisim do anan kisim do namuna na neile nang dinga na lol hin na hi tai at say na in tuni ni ko Freshers Meet imano to kilhonin meritorious awardees ho hi in achievement awardees ho in chule award chum hin muding ho congratulations ka hin bolin mi pizo si ibon chawa thanom ta kin ki chai chan gei pangding izong ka in team kenin. I kindly request our brothers from the KSU to kindly bear with us, including the language, and to bear with us with the timing. And I kindly request you to stay with us as long as you can. Thank you once again. Kakipae.
Amasa penin tukum executive term 2024 to 25 sunga dinga secretarial report pithei dinga eko yu papathin chu lopi na ipimasa penu binahi tunia secretarial report kahin pi ding hi golhang gina general secretary pu khela kahin pi ding hin amahin na to zin term ki chai masangin na to amuzi ni nadal hat muntuma anakal son ta zin ama khela kahin pi ding hin report hi hung saw lo ding hin chom cha cha kahin sei ding hi amasa penin department wise na anaki tong do ho hin saying kating education department nam kai nanoya kinthum anaki gongin amasa pending in literary competition anaki gongin chuting le parting social jong anaki bolin chuting le admission help desk khat jong anaki hong do inahi games and sports department na konin to gon chu ahile sports 2024 to 25 sungchun charity sports loling ta in anaki mangin ahi social and cultural department keso makai nanuin munchum chuma ei ho namlam thumve anaki vet sa in ahi activity chum ho amasa penin executive chengin college unit ho visit na anaki nein hichi college unit sagile university unit khat anaki vilin ahi 28 September 2024 ni chun KWS conference hall muna first general assembly anaki nei inahi Mr. and Miss Fishers zonghi nidang ngayon lalawin nidang achum dewin social media platform Instagram adi set amang tain anakil hengdo inahi hiti chun SSC aspirant izat ham khat jile vale na hasat jiuvin kithopi na dingin dangka sang somle zanga anaki thodin ahi stingle 11 November 2024 ni khoa sopi vivia panghomi som beina chunga ke socialongin lunghem pina vet sana in candlelight vigil zong anaki gongin ahi thini man ni hasat ni gen thei ni khoa ke socialongin pan anala jingai bangin tu kumsungin jong ni vei ke so member ho in thilong anaki zuin stingle livei chan than laina zong anaki lamkai na hi 31st December 2024 ni athuso akiza chun saibol mi pi ke le ke socialongin phamo akisa na chung chona demna sangta akinein chuting le hi chi chung changa KSO Delhi and NCR makai na noya jantar mandara ki phin nading kin gon anaki gonga chun ke socialongin dangka sang som ki thopi na dingin anaki thodin ahi ke so general headquarter thupi na noya ke socialong chu city branches ho ke ka ke het to nele ki za amat to na abai zep na dingin convener city branches ho adingin thendo anahi tan ahi 7 March 2025 ni ho in ke so general headquarter in ikfai VC pa koma kangpo piazong ikfai campus umsa ding ti memorandum khat aniki pelu din ahi 8 March 2025 ni in ke socialong in zong kangpo pia inami tewin central forces ho khuda kimatjia sik thogim na ana thole FMR plan oppose bol na vet sana in candlelight vigil jong anaki gongin ahi 29 March 2025 ni ho in KSO Shillong in zong KSO community school ho kithopi na dingin cooking for a cause kiti thupi mangcha in fund drive anaki bolin loling ta in anaki chain ahi 12 April 25 sungin audit atil ha to honin KSO General Assembly zong anaki bolin ahi 27 April ni ho in KWS unit umyam thinsona kina anaki zawin ahi GS hong ki khel zovin Freshers Social Function dinga anaki sei habang to gon ho chu ahong ki nei zingin hiti dol hon chun PC lam kai cheng ho to thumve anaki ki ho khomin anaki buipi le zingin a hi kin nei ding aki hi wangin wangsi ta in sungmi ni in e na molim sanuvin pathen thil gon hi jing zong le kin nei jing dingin 14th August KSO Shillong 14 August ni khotun KSO Shillong promotional video anaki sim chai to honin function sunga program min chong vil thei aniki vil zoin Freshers Social Function adingin ki gotna aniki nein a hi KSO member achievements and contributions KSO Shillong pathen lungsit na zalin 2024 to 25 sungin zong member tampi in lolhin na inane yovin Hitina chun SSC GD result 2024 declare na chun KSO member gup anazawin ahi chuting le SSC CGL 2024 azong chun KSO Shillong member mili anapang uvin ahi IBPS exam ki bol nanoya 2024 PO in KSO member mili ano panguvin IBPS KSO member mithuma anapangkit uvenehi chuting le ki pa umta kha chu hi le tukub embos results azong lolhin na pachanna sangta ta inane yovin rank 1 khat ine yovin rank chuting le rank group khat ahin rank kona khat ahin chitol hon chun top 10 azong KSO member ho tamta ipanguvin achung chi win amho ko amho abon win congratulate aveli ni bol kit win hi hichitai lo chun KSO KSO 2024 to 25 term sung hin PhD chai mithum ana omin hi humanitarian and community service 2024 to 25 term sunga hin Thisan unit 29 donate aniki bol do in hi hospital ana asa adam lo hovet kol na dingin KSO Shillong member hozong Valley anapanguve membership overview tua membership hi 500 plus ahin member PhD scholar hi 32 PG 20 undergraduate hi 200 plus intermediate ho hi 100 plus hong hintin other lekha simtalo to na to na dinga ki gong ho hi 200 plus ho hong hintin tukum 2024 to 25 executive term sungahin meeting hi somni legit ve anakinein ahi abon bonin hi chan chu secretarial report chom cha ka hin pi theina hi tante ka ki pa e
Ka thang Ku ki bon chơi cái hi Ka thang Ku ki bon chơi cái hi Thiên lai thần xa dù khi này lâu viên ba dị hẹn say qua bằng nghìn dù mong một thiên ba chơi nán là sòng đê hay lẽ một in phút bê hàng ngạc lãnh sao hề ca kỳ thăng nghe cụ kỳ vẫn chơi đầy nên ngọc càng khô lắm vì nhà sự khôn lê về khôn sai phi khu na khom tang kho ta gam nei ko sung na he khúc sự biết đi in nêu ko cheng ho ka lam kho mo he ka ki thang nghe ku ki bon chơi ka hi ka ki thang nghe ku ki bon chơi ka hi khai u le na lung khat in Di masa bi le pu hati na tol pi sunga him thu zin na gam mei vang ti hot ta him thu za dam lel khom di pi po nei ku hui ka ki thang nge ku ki van chui ai nin ngọc tang ko lap pi ya sel kon ve po sai pi khu le khom tang thon ka dam le ko su ai hu su di di in neo ko cheng ho ka lam ko ve ka ki thang nge ku ki van chui ai ka ki thang nge ku ki van chui ai in pi pu sa chan hop na u le na kum gon sang gon khen tum lo tong so long del hen zalen in pi sung ilung tu kam le athen lung de ki pon do na in pi hi zing hen ka ki thang nge ku ki van chai kai nin ngọc tang ko lak pi dia sil kon le ve pon sai pi khu le kham tang thon ta gam le ko sung ai ku su di di in neo go cheng ho ka lam ko ve ka ki thang nge ku ki van chui ka hi ka ki thang nge ku ki van chui ka hi ka ki thang nge ku ki van chui ka hi
ta ki pa ne
พัดพาพัดหอยเอเปียวะประเทศทางวานะกันเป็นมาสเปนินอันนี้เนี่ยตูนินขวาอาโซลเนง annual magazine กุมสมทำเลสกีจันนะยงทุนเทนาวลำไก่ลุยหัวจาลเฮเซนลำไก่ลุยหัวจานะกันเป็นฮีอัทุมเนนตูนินขวาจาตะเกสายปันปีหัวเห็นจะเละจาเดียลมลำจุมมาลำไก่หัวเห็นนูเลปาปีเลปูจะเล่นงากลหัวเจ้าเสกจานะสลามกันเปตุนินขัวอาโซลเนงอินโซโดเทนาวตามมุงกิปนาโกนาอิสูเจ้าเสียอาร์ติเคิลเสียน poetry หินอาศัยกิตาเวอหิลวายและตัวนัจัดจุมตันติในละว่าเอ็นทอดจิงว่า member หัวหินจะเล่นปาเตหัวนูติหัวเจ้าสิจงอากิปาทูกันใส่กิดเวอาโซลเนงหุงกิพูดดานจำจ่ากากิเซเลอาโซลเนงฮี1987กุมาอันนี้กิพูดโดหินตูกุมฮีอากุมสมทำเลกิจจันในหินไอหินอาโซลเนงฮีissue annual magazine hi som tham se gi chan nei hi tiong chu mi pi he dinga in phon do nom hi in tunin khwa chief guest ai pan piu pa lun se kip gen jong hi 1992 93 kuma chu azol neng editorial board na member ai na pan piu hi in tunin khwa ama zauna 37 chan na release thia yom jewen ki pawmen ama chungong ki pa thu in se ki ven azol neng iso the now he patron member ho zal he zin patron member ho chunga ki pa thu se to klonen stage a kan ko do no min patron member here hola present jo se lung set ta stage langai hung din do diwin team na kan ni amas penin college unit ho yong gyal khon nei ten patron member nei pan piwin jason college unit ho cr ho auma ma he lung set ta stage langai hung do diwin kan team amas penin KSO Amy Marians, KSO Cookie Bazorians, KSO Cookie Admandians, KSO Cookie Kenyans, KSO Cookie Women Ta'chanus, KSO Cookie Zoo Silong College, Amy Students Union Saint Anthony College, Nehu Cookie PZs, Amo College ni na kon hiin, tuin patron member ho บันเนจันสิมลาเน้นเองป้าทางจ้าเฮากิบโกลังเป่าโซนทางกลางเตะโกลังลุนเกากินกิบเกนโกลังมังบอยมิสาวโกลังทางตินลำสิงโซนโกลังอลุนโซเฮากิบโกลังกับกินเลียนหางล้อโกลังเซบอยกิบเกนโกลังมินลลเฮากิบโกลังกินนาจงลอยโกลังเซเนวเฮากิบดรจางเขาหางสิงโกลังเป่ามินหงกิบเกนโกลังจอร์จหางฮัลโกลังเซมิลุนเฮากิบโกลังเฮามินเซมิสาวโกลังเอลโกเลียนคุกีโกลังเซมินเฮาคงไซเรนดรแฮมคุมังเฮากิบป้าเฮนคุงามเฮากิบโกลังเป่ามินลลดงลโกลังจางเขาเป่ากิบเกนโกลังทางจุงเลนเฮากิบโกลังลุนปีเกนกิบเกนโกลังเซโกลลเฮากิบโกลังเลดโกเกนเฮากิบนุงะรัชลโตทังนุงะเอริกามาเตนุงะจอยซีกิบเกนนุงะลิงเมนจงจงลอยนุงะตินหอยกิมกิมีเฮากิบนุงะเอลิเซียไวเพนุงะพัลนีฮัดเฮากิบนุงะจงนุนแอมเฮากิบนุงะกิมีคงไซนุงะเบบี้เฮากิบนุงะจอยซีไบเตนุงะเอสเตอร์เฮากิบนุงะบอยนูโตทังนุงะเทเรซาเฮากิบนูเทียมนูจงลอยนูบอยซีเฮาวุมนูเนียงบุลป้ากูปูประธานนูจงปีเฮากิบนูกิมบงสิทเฮาป้าลลบอยตีคงไซป้ากูจงลอยป้าลำกุยินกิบเกนป้างามกุกีป้าเฮนเซคงไซป้าเนโกเลนเฮาวุมป้าลุนมิลลเฮากิบป้าโซเซไบเตป้าเซมังโตทังป้าเจฟกิบเกนป้ามังจาจงลอยป้าเปาฮเลนกิบเกนนูเนียงบอยเฮากิบป้าเดมลลกิบเกนป้าโออนมาเต Professor T.T. เฮากิบป้าเอลงามคุลุนคงไซป้าเดวิดเฮากิบ Professor Royal ฮังซิงป้าทงติมันเฮากิบป้าลำลลฮังซิงนูจงบอยสิงสิทนูเฮลิงเฮาบุมนูบอยซีจงลอยนูจงบอยเฮากิบนูกีกิมกุยเตนูจงแนวลงดิบPatron member หัวเฮกิปอมเตนตั้มเทเซงินนูลาปาเทวเฮนนงอากอลฮอลเอฮงปันเปียวโจสิจงกิปาทูกันเซเว่นตูนี่กิฮอนจงกิปาทูเซดิดันอจอมจงเคดีเอปเวนเจจุนกิปาเวซานันแอนนอลแมกาซินฮีฟรีคอปีขัดสเตซ่ามิลากันปีโนมุเจวาจุกันเขาโดเฮนPatron member หัวเฮลำไกลูฮันจงเซจิงนาเวนอาศัยเลี้ยงอาเปตรอนเมมเบอร์โอเฮเปโตรลตะบังฮีวินอโมเบียเฮกิสโวโจโลดิ้งกิบอลโลโจโลดิ้งฮิจาจูอโมจงอากิปาทูเซโจโลเซกินวินเฮตัวเองตัวนี้อาศัยเลี้ยงสมทุนได้สิกิจันละเอริลิสปีเดียวนูเนโจประธานนุงเซตเทนสเตสลังอาหงต่อไปแล้วกิปาเวนเตอามาเฮเคสโอสลองเงินอากิไงจันนะจันนาสปอนเซอร์ชิพฮีอินจะเละกิโทปีนะจมมาเฮกัจจีสิเลวอาดานอมขลาวปันปีนเทที่ยาปันปีปีเจงเฮียนอามาเฮตุละตัวสลองจิลมาลจากคิทเช่นคูอามาเฮียนจะเลอดังสเดียนไงลุนซาลาโฮสเทลบอลฮอมินเชียเลอาเซเรลโฮสเทลเฮียนเบลวิวโฮสเทลเฮียนขัดจีเลเอเมลโฮสเทลยาจูโฮสเทลจงทุ่มเจนอันนี้เฮียนอามาเฮ successful entrepreneur ขัดจงเฮียที่จงจูข้างไล่หอกิจเขาในดิ่งgovernment service เสียข้ามหิปุยที่ยงจูอามาคนในเวสานุมหุยนตัวนี้เขาอามา release ดิ่งองกิจเต็มน้ำมาจงถนอมตาไอสันปีจวนจงอากิปาทูเซเว่นตัวนี้ editorial board หัวลุงเซต10 stage ลังอาหงดาวเวนตินตัวเห็น memento ปีโดนะเห็นได้เวงกติง memento ฮี join editor ปูโกลังโรนันทองมินเอาคงไซอามาอินซิมโดนเห็นในอินเทนตู้จงอาโซนเลง annual magazine cover page จงยามันดีไซน์อาบอลเฮติจูมีเพียรดึงอาการพูนตัวเห็นตัวอินโรนันจอยนิเตอร์พูอินเมมเมนตัวสิมลาในหุ่นในปีเราคิดพาวมินเตมีปีเราเสียสุนพาโมเมนตัวทุกเจงกิจิหินสิมลางกันเต Office of the Cookie Students Organization Shillong Memento of Appreciation presented to Ma'am Nezo Pradhan, proprietor of Chilamalcha Kitchen, with heartfelt gratitude for graciously releasing the 37th Annual
Asizolning Magazine 2025. Your presence, unwavering support, and words of encouragement have made the publication of this edition all the more meaningful and successful, adding special significance to this memorable occasion. Date 23rd August 2025, venue Nehu Convocation Hall, Shillong. With sincere appreciation, Asizolning, Editorial Board, KSO Shillong. Undersigned, Lungkim Mangkip Gen, Editor, and Dr. Ellen Ginkungam, Hokip, President.
Tu hin patron member hola han pen tu te pangam ku ken lung set ten releaseable video nu ap do pilo ki pawmente. And tu hin assistant editor nu unwa chongpin sai pi khup hung pi do penten so teng la assistant editor nunga ngai team min pa chai hung pi do pi lo ki pamente tu hin Asizolning releaseable video nu nei zo pradhan ama phat kan pe releasing bolchan aman inkila tala ke pawmente.
Good afternoon, everyone. Soon pa mi pite ho zo se. Thank you, KSO Shillong and Asizolning Editorial Board for having me and giving me the opportunity to release the grand souvenir of the KSO Shillong, or the voice of the KSO, that is the 37th Asizolning annual magazine. Here at the Nehu Convocation Hall today, the 23rd August 2025. Tunin Asizolning annual magazine release bolnan copy masapen kay mandang ka sang somin kito inge kakipa Asizolning Editorial Board to KSO Shillong damsot hen. Chia he kong do te kakipa
Ki pawmen tuyen patron member lung sit ten na din namun wa ding na live en lang editorial board hon lung sit ten copy kha khat hinop pilaw sen ki pawmente. Copy chui kelawa le lung sit ten ito naman sa na jon kitaw te editorial board ho khatbe langaung dingkit law jon kan teme tu ni kichai han lang le tam nyong kichai ding ki pa thu se na ipp bol na abanom theta lo ding jana chi kon jong ki phalam lo hela phat chu kan la jeng hien ge so hien chale mi pi hon jong ne het them dio tia tim na kan nei ke do he tu ni khwa ming na de bol khel se khela mala pthemen ki ngai da mu hiten patron member ho chunga ki pathu se ne kalwalwa tu ni khwa editorial board langa kona kan se no mucho kumthung thalunga sponsor a ball pi hen advertisement him ball ho chunga ki pathu ise even Asizolning en chop pi ki dio ho jo se chunga ki pathu kan ma se we tu ni khwa Asizolning asom thum da sigi channa ahungi thene editorial member ho zal hejin chung che wa jong editor hinan ki pathu kan se ki ho phat chan chitan dika ki pawe
Khun anabe peu hetele amolin nan alam dei dei zong lam dei
saka pum mei choi na chang vai gam vai pial thang kam na tu pa len na thang thai a hai ye oi kam choi ki chemin kam ka ki chem kam to ana lam dil din ho san sing vai ho min ane wi min tu chang tu chang tu ti tu chom chom chon na han nei wi sa ai chang ai ki pa na tai tu ta bi hom bi to na la wi chon le khan ki kim sia nam mi sai na na mi te ai hom lam ko tin oi ko te chon le khan ki kim sia nam mi sai na na mi te ai hom lam ko tin oi ko te musi chivo nam kim tu ning zu ai sa ta thon leng sa ai chang ai dang apo lui simang ko changin hang ko sam tung tha khat tin pei phung sun ning no tang ko la min ane ngui
kan sil le chenin agam le nam asem choi se le lamin nen di tenin isem bi choi na lam dil delin silung kito in cho min khengin o ka kan gol ki pa na khong din ammi zalaya kitang din te sungin panlako mute Anong penikuki peting lang Gam hoyay tuli lena Dừng lệ dù lại giọt ngày tranh nhìn dòng dây là đôi chim lâu Kỳ vọng khen nào lâu chăm thì là lên na Cả nói lưu bê nê ô cả chân lưu dâu găm lệ Chung pa thêm bang bộ na đôi ra lên ấy ho Sẽ lung kỳ khen lo vin lung kỳ tô in Đi gầm y năm dêm hoi din pan la có min Ban pha dê khó in cây phung khát sông khó mù tê Anong penikuki peting lang Gam hoyay tuli lena Dừng lệ dù lại giọt ngày tranh nhìn dòng dây là đôi chim lâu Kỳ vọng khen nào lâu chăm thì là lên na Cả nói lưu bê nê ô cả chân lưu dâu găm lệ Cả nói lưu bê nê ô cả chân lưu dâu găm lệ
Before the honorable guest of honor take his time, we the KSO Shillong Executive would like to thank you and would like to give you as a token of our appreciation for sparing your valuable time despite your busy and very tight schedule. So today, on behalf of the Kuki community in Shillong and the KSO in particular, we would like to give a memento, a traditional soul, and a bouquet to our guest of honor, Sri Donald V. Thaba.
I'll be reading out the memento. Office of the Kuki Students Organization, Shillong. Memento presented to Pu Donald V. Thaba, General Secretary, Khasi Students Union, Central Executive Council, with heartfelt gratitude and deepest appreciation for gracing the 64th Freshers Social Function of the Kuki Students Organization, Shillong, as the esteemed guest of honor on this day, the 23rd August 2025, at Convocation Hall, Nehu, Shillong. Signed by Gina Chongloy, General Secretary, and Dr. L. Ginkomang Hokip, President.
Ding, ding, ding.
Hello. We would also like to thank the executive member of the KSU who accompany Pu Donald V. Thaba. I kindly request you all to stand up wherever you are. Thank you. Thank you, KSO, for accompanying and joining our program. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to the Cookie Students Organization Shillong under the leadership of Dr. L. Jinkhongam Haukip, the President of the KSO, and the executive members. With due respect also to the compeers, the Honorable Chief Guest of today's program, Pu Lunsi Kipjan, who is the Inspector General of Police to the Government of Manipur, the other dignitaries, the Functional President, Professor Rowell P. Hangsing, who is the Head of Department of the Department of Library and Information Science of Northeastern Hill University, other dignitaries from the Kuki community, from Shillong and from Manipur and Mizoram, the students belonging to the Kuki community who are pursuing their studies in Shillong, and the inhabitants of Shillong who are working in Shillong, and most importantly, the freshers, the new students who have come to pursue their studies here in Shillong. Before I begin my speech, I would like to state that I am not a good orator. I do not speak very long, but when I speak, I would like to express whatever I have in mind. Actually, today, I'm still feeling dizzy. I'm very, very tired. I came from Assam day before yesterday, we went to Assam, to Kachar, because our people are having problems with another community. And as student leaders, we are invited to go and visit the affected people. I reached home today morning at around 3 a.m. I slept only for 3 hours. I'm still feeling very tired. But I don't mind, because this is a very grand program, the 64th Freshers Social Function of the Kuki Students Organization. I was invited, and I felt so privileged that I feel that it is my duty to be here, and as a matter of fact, I wanted to be here. That's why I came and attend this program. I would like to give a big round of applause to the members of the Kuki Students Organization. We can understand the effort that they are putting in to organize such an auspicious program. They have been working tirelessly. I can see from the stage and everything, the managing of the program is also well planned. And the freshers, the students should understand that what they are doing is not for themselves. Yes, they want it to be a grand success, but the objective, the main objective of organizing this program is for you, the freshers. The essence of a freshers meet is very important in a student's community. Each and every community, diasporic community, pursuing their studies here in Shillong, and even we, the locals also, the Khasis, we used to organize freshers meet every year. Each and every student's organization organize a freshers meet every year. What is the essence? What is the importance? It is not for themselves, but it is for you. The freshers are new to this town, to Shillong city. Most of you don't know the way around. It is, in fact, a very different environment from where you can have back home. An environment is different from one place to another. And sometimes you might feel like you're in a boat without a rudder. The objective of the seniors is to guide you. By organizing this program, is to bring you all together, under one platform, to show you that they will be there for you, they will guide you. If you have any problems, they will be there for you. As the motto of the Kuki Students Organization is learn, unite, and serve. You came here to learn, work hard, don't waste your precious time out here. You are an investment to your parents. Your parents work very hard to invest in your education, and you should not fail them. Come here and learn, and at the same time, apart from the hectic studies that you have to pursue, you should also know that you should be there for each other with with your fellow community members. And at the same time also I exhort upon all of you that mingle with the locals of Shillong. We are a very friendly people, just like you are, and we would like to be friends, and we have been working together with the KSU since time immemorial. That is unity, unite. And after you complete your studies, you are going to go back home, serve your community. We are all tribals, we are tribal community. Compared to other parts of the world and even to mainland India, we are very backward. Sometimes we are being discriminated, we are being marginalized because of our looks, because of our ways of life, because of our food habits, and because of being located in a remote area of the country. We should work very hard, we should help each other. When the president of KSO and the GS came to meet me, to invite me to this program, we were discussing a lot of issues regarding tribal communities. And we came to an understanding that one tribal community is not different from another. And the one thing that plagues our community is there are certain internal disease that is affecting us. Not only do we face problem from external aggressors, but internally we are also facing problems. We tribals don't tend to help each other, we tend to be jealous of one another. This is one thing that we should try to get rid of, and as educated students, we should go back to our communities and make them understand that for a community, for a tribe to progress, we need to work hand in hand. We need to pull each other up, not pull each other down. This is a very important aspect in order for the community to progress. There is also, I would like to share with all of you that hard times make strong men. Why do I want to use this phrase? I can understand. The whole world knows what is happening in Manipur, and the communities are suffering every single day. I went to Manipur during 2 years back in August 3rd, and I visited relief camps in Imphal, in Churachandpur. I can see the pain out there. I can see women, old men, they are being crammed up together, they are being housed in one relief camp. Everyone is sad, everyone is complaining, some are even angry. But what strikes me the most are the children. The children are unaware of what happened. They are oblivious to the fact that they are being displaced within their own state. So such are the things that is happening to the communities in Manipur. But at the same time, there is also a ray of hope in which I can understand, as I've said, that hard times produce strong men and women. When I look at the latest results of the Union Public Service Commission, I can see that from the Kuki community, they produce 4 IAS. And that is highly laudable, which should be very appreciated by the community. Sometimes we tribals, say for example, like us, the Khasis, the Mizos, we are living in peace. And we felt like we are living in our own world, that there is a tendency to take things lightly. That is also a very dangerous trend in tribal communities. But communities who are suffering, like the Kukis, the Nagas, they are working very hard. They are producing professors, doctors, civil servants, and that is a very good move by the community. And I would like to appeal to each and every one of you that work hard. Yes, at the same time you came here to study, remember to work hard, but at the same time you can also have fun. Shillong is a very nice city. There are a lot of things to be enjoyed, but you should be able to balance your time between work and play. And to end my speech, to conclude my speech, I would like to welcome each and every one of you, right from the Honorable Chief Guest to the freshers who are here for the first time in Shillong. Welcome to Shillong. Shillong is a very hospitable place. You will like it, you will like your stay here. Actually, Shillong is the cradle of education for most of the leaders in the entire Northeast region. I've been to Nagaland, I've been to Mizoram, I've been to Manipur, I've been to Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and most of the officers, the leaders are past pupils from institutions from Shillong. Shillong is very welcoming, work very hard, and the Khasi Students Union will always be there with you. We will be like your big brothers and sisters, and if you have any problem, you can share it with the KSO, the leaders of the KSO, and if the KSO find it difficult to solve the problems, the KSU will always be there for you 24/7. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.
Hello. Welcome
Hello.
to the world of Mr. and Miss Freshers KSO Shillong. Mi pite use na bonun sun pa.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Dunia kin hung kiman lo na pen. Lam kai hon thale jung senga. Hichikin lo pita. Ahin gon na lo pe. Ahin gon lo na penu. Thim jildinga. Ahong kal song. Freshers ho. Mel tha. Mai tha ho. Am ho hi. Huya hong kon uwa. Chule. Kohi wam ti ikhet chen diu phachu ahong hin thanom tein anapang huitin hichital hon chun top 10 napa top 3 chule Mr. le Miss Freshers khlena jong hungum ding a hin hichital hon chun tu a hin Mr. le Miss Freshers a hung ding chule Freshers jo se na bon win stage langa hi ningkal dop pileu chun ki pawmin te.
I would like to invite all the freshers to please come on stage. Ushers, can you kindly guide them?
Ang din do utolhanin mi wang hi gyalbangin atampon na keni gyalana chu mi som gup som sigi be chu ang do diu kine mahin hinla asunga uma bets ki belo ai lo le amalanga hong din do nom lo jong khatleni imu hile kilomin a thuki za danin I choyong chu a hen in sol do pidivin temna kai ne ki duve.
All right, let us start with the introduction round.
Wait. To ahi KSO Shillong adinga Home Minister puum lowai program ki panthelo ding hin. Let me just make a call.
Oi mo ham.
Ki call hin pha chang lung thelo he. Hello. Nong lo diu ha. Nong diu le hung do jing wo. KSO Shillong Home Minister Pu Alun Sa Ji. Ong do tolonin ikon na beng su ke ute.
Let's clap our hands for Walun.
Do nom long kane win Pu Alun Sa Ji hi. I ati le KSO Shillong a hi. Freshers meet ki manna hi. Security to meithel to nong kon jeng ham. Safe na sa lo dan ham. Nalungyal hin seo.
Safe su ka sa thau nai izong le. Mun tin nai chi na zo sia hi ki king sa chi ngai ja chu security kan pui he.
Ichin na zo sia ki veng sa om di he na. Ai le iga se do nom ki chu KSO Shillong history a record na ki mudung zo ya chu Mr. Freshers title hi thumwei zen anala he ma hin. Akum wang chu ka chen kana khol do man tapon ama he kum khatala yon le lung thailo icha chu kum thumi ki som thela anatel le anala jeng na cha chu abana cha tet kirgul le midang yong chance piute tia chu anapan anatet sa lo hetai ichi Mr. Fresher title thumwei nana te na nala chungchang thu a hen nalungel ne khat ne hin sei pi wo.
Miss le Mr. Freshers ila athupi dan ho ka sei masangin Shillonga hung ho hi koima mel hoi elo la agun tailo kilut sa lo hin na migun mi mel hoi ho bo kilut sa hin chukil le admission jang hi migun mi mel hoi bo hon amu a hin chia chu tunya hung kal song Freshers ho zo si nong ho zo siang chu hi chu na hi ve ti chu kan pon do he Mr. Freshers Miss Freshers อทุปีด่านชูสิลงMiss Mr. Freshers หินละไทยขัดชูมีเมลหอยมีผ้าไอหินชุกิลละมุนตินาเกโซนเจ้าเสียมิสและมิสเตอร์เฟรเซอร์ใส่เหตุจูอีปุ่นดอนุโมเฮ
จุเลทุกจะดุงจุยาหินสิลงทีมจิลองลุดที่หอเฮผู้โฮมมินิสเตอร์ผู้เฮดเปลวาเฮกอยมาเฮโมอันโมลุสาจิโลเฮนทุจุงองลุดท่าหอเฮอบอนวาเฮ permission นับปีนาม
เฮงเงอากิปีจีว่าหงเฮลุดโนหิตายมหอเฮจะจุมีปีอ่างหงดิ่งโดไทยโอเฮ
Mr. Le Miss Freshers title atupi danong chu them khat izata ven hi chana banga chu ahong do Freshers zo se yong na bon wa ki king sanom diu thu do nan kini ti jong leo na hon na zo chan wa hoi ta hi chi title hi ka chan te ding hi tia he thanum ta na pan diwa chu tem na ka nei ki he oh
I'd like to mention that Walun is an inseparable part of the Kuki Shillong community. We'd like to thank him for sparing his precious time for highlighting the importance of Mr. and Ms. Freshers. Thank you so much, Walun.
Kipao me, tole ta to bangai bol thu ahin, pu Walun hi salonga minu mi pa hin nga go lang hok mi zo sen kimun pi momong ahin na ingai chat na zo se achu ama he ki gel do jing jing hi ya chu ama yong chu along gel long iga se sa thu ahi.
Okay, let us start with our freshers introduction.
Ama santunya ke so silong ngay lun la zala hong lakom mi pi zau se ulan naw hin nu la pa hin pi la pu ni hivin na bon zawin mel thalim na salam kin bolove chule kai ma chan chin chu tun ka hin sei ding hin kai kamin he hi le lun zakai ku ki ya hin kip gen phung min ka hin chule kai hi kung kon do na chu hi le cycle gam ka ya gang pi sang wang khwa ko na ka hin ka nu min chu hi le angi kip gen ki tien ka pa min chu hi le sei gen kip gen ki tie tu la tu a hin St. Anthony's College history honors ka bol hin chule to ay Stephen Hola jing lai ka hi
ama sa penin hilai hong ki khom mi pi zo se sun pha kai kamin chu a hi le chinai kim khong sai ka hong kon do na chu a hi le khong sai veng tu tua ka up na mun a hi le lai mu khra nong kin ri ka college ka ina chu a hi le St. Anthony's College
kami ni Aaron Zamilun hau ke bahin ke chu Manipura lam kalang ho kahin ke ka college hi Saint at ban hin ka department chu English
My name is Ching Delian and I'm from Manipur. I'm currently living in ARC Assam Regimental Center.
Ke kamin hi helgo mang singson ahin kahung ke bat nahi Manipura Tamenglong district Phaitul khua ko na Meghalaya state a hi leksim dinga hungkal song kahin kale khasim namun hi MIT University ahin ka course la hi BBA Bachelor of Business Administration specialization in hospitality travel and tourism ahin tua ka nahi New Shillong Mokisiang umro muna ka he
ke min chaile selna khong sa hin ke khong ko na chu Phaitul Tamenglong district Manipur ting kon ke tu a kakai nei Shillong College BA first sem history honors ka he
ke kamin hi le golhang thumilan lupo kai Manipura cycle langa ho ko na khong ke to kai college kai na hi le LK Bazuri a kai hin to ka umna hostel a ko min nongrim langa ko me
ke kamin chu hi le vening hang sing ka ho ka permanent address chu hi le Kangpo Pi Manipur to ako umna I Happy Valley and ka school kind Women's College class 11 arts ka simin
mi pi ti ho si na bon chawin sun pha kamin chu hi le pautin lal hungdim kai ma hi Manipur Ukhul district a Mongkot Chepua ko na ko hong hin tu to ke ma kai na college chu hi le St. Anthony hin
Hello everyone, my name is Asha. I'm from Guwahati, Assam. Currently I'm staying in Dangkheti and my college name is Lady King College, studying in the Department of Geology. Thank you.
Masa penin mi pi ose ka sana salam kan pe keima kamin chu hi le sego lu na hin ka hong kon do na chu hi le kaung pilang he tua college ka kai na hi le KL Bazoria
Kay mga kaminso hila ning ne kimahin kaung kipadona hila niulam ka vengnom sau niulam ka ngathalwa venga hin tuak silonga kom namun hila madan reading books block C hin ka school kay namun hila holy child hin
kay kaminso hila thangchon gam kitgen kaung kondo na chu supermina tuai nongri maum kahin college CNM man sa ka kain ka course to BSc Departments of Physics. Thank you.
Kima min chile tinoi to boy hin. Kima to here Lady Kin Higher Secondary in class 11 kasimin. To akom na hiya Lady Kin Girls Hostel ka umin. Ati ile kahung kondo na chile kang pupiya hi.
Kami na hila gin kolal hin. Kaya pai lang ako lang blian ho kayin to Edmund sa kakain Maths Department. Kagipe.
Kay ma minju hile ning nun nem mot bunga ko na hong kondo kahin tutu nongri mau lai mu ka umin college ka kain na ju hile St. Anthony's College Department of Physics ha ka kain ahi
Kay kamin jo hile lunchung nung lupeng nung ka wang kho kon kahin to la hi KL Bazoria Sociology Department kahi
kamin chu nei jingkim kholho ahi in Kangpu piapat kahiin, but right now Nongrim Hills ka ume.
Kay kamin su hile pau khulin hiin, kung kunay su le Kangpu District Cycle Hill tang hiin. College hile St. Anthony History Department hiin.
Kay min su hile lamching hoi chongloi, ka permanent address su hile Kangpu District Gamnom Pai Village. To ka present hile Fire Brigade Lower Motinagar Sonem Girls Hostel. School hile Lady Kin Girls Higher Secondary Science.
Kay kamin so hile saat min thang kip ge na hin. Kahung kun na choy le Manipura khuneu cha bi bol jang wang hua ko na kahung kun na hin. Tu tua hi Saint Stephen ako umahin. Saint Anthony History Department.
Kay ma kamin so hile ting nei thing kip gen St. Mary's College, Political Science Department.
My name is Lamkole Chongloi from Infal. I am currently studying in Shillong College, pursuing my BBA.
Kay kamin chu hile dei pinem hangsing ka permanent address chu hile Bangkong Village Nanglen ka current address to Happy Valley to hi Women College class 11 arts kasimhin
Kay kami na hile Michael Sumin say how kip Jule Manipur lam ka ko na kahong hin tu le to hi jinking ako mahin to hi college KL Bazoria ka kaya hin economics department ka hin
Kamin chua hile hingrami nei sila hin kahong kipat na chua hile Rengkai Churchanpur district ahi Tua ka umna hi hile madan riting ka school kay na chu hile Holy Child School ahin.
Kay mo kamin obek ngamilin o kip hay ka al village Chandi district akon kahin St. Anthony College History Department Jilay kahin tutu kom na hi Stephen Ho Hopkins Road chain.
Kay kamin chu hile Maclean Nasil kahong kipat na chu hile Rengkai lamka tua ka umna chu madan riting School ka kay na hile Holy Child Higher Secondary School.
Kay min so ile lunkim sa ginlen. Kong do na so ile mulnum ukhul. College min so ile KL Bazoria Sociology Department. Ipay.
Kay min so hile nemdei hoi kipgen kahong kondo na so hile Bongbal Khulin tu pet pedahi Happy Valley akom na chu hile St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School
Kamin chu hile sat golun kip ge na hin kong kon do na hi Churchanpur district El Salem phai wang khwa padung kon ka hin to ka na hi hile Happy Valley ka hin college chu KL Bazoria kai ka hin department chu hile Political Science Department ka hin
Kay ma kamil hingmin joy lang hal tutua ko umna nong Themai Silong kahong kondo na Elazang Pai Cycle Kangpu District tutua ka school kay na hi Holy Child Higher Secondary School class 11 science kahin
Kay ma min chu le si khuzon khong sai kahin kay ma cycle area tui champhai wang khwa hung kon khin
kamin cho hi ale ha neighbor chongloi kahung kon do na cho hi ale cycle bazar la jang beng ho kahin to akom na cho hi ale lower moti nagar he ka kipae
Cái mà mình cho là xây mình thằng hậu kịp cái hình permanent address cho là permanent na hình tuân nông rừng mình cầu mình.
My name is Hoi Jing Tham Haukip. Permanent address to Ahile More Tawang Pai, and currently I'm staying in Happy Valley, and I'm pursuing BA Economics at San Antonio College.
Kamin choi le Mr. Chon Gulin Kipgian, Lausima ka umin kahung kon do na choi le Kangpo District kya sa wang kho hin ka school kaina ka college kaina chai hele ke Albazaria hin.
Kamin ahile hat zon ling ho kip ahin ka khumin chu ahile en songlung Kangpo District hin tutu a ko college chu ahile St Mary College ahin sociology department first semester kahin
Kamin chule thangkhan gin chongloi khungkon do na chule Chalwa village Kangpo district a ko na khungkon do ahin tule tu ahi Stephen Hola komin St Anthony College economic department a ko na kahin.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Envashi Lungdim, and I'm from Lamka. Right now, I'm doing BSc Geology from Lady King College.
Kamin chui le sa sa ngai hin kahung kun do na chui le kukile Lamka ku na kahin chule ka kai na hi le St Edmunds College political science department mu ya first semester simlai kahin.
Kamin Christina hin Jerhat Assam apalaki tu a kom nahi le college hostel hin hostel college hi le Lady King College Department of Biochemistry hin
ke kamin chu hi le Sailin sang hin tu ta dia hi hostel mun khala ko me hin hilai muna hi nehua hi ke ma energy engineering boli a delhi ko na kal song ka hin
kamin chu hi le ning nei lam ho ki ba hin ka pen na khu chu hi le More Tingnapal district ka college kai na mun chu hi le Shillong College history department tu tu a ko na mun chu hi le lai mukra hin
ke ma min chu hi le lem lun sing son hin molen wang khwa pana ka hin ke tu tu a hi Shillong College sa ka kain commerce department ga
My name is Tracy Haulai Hoineva, and I'm originally from Modbung Kangpo district. I am staying in Nong Tamay at the moment, and I'm currently pursuing my BAs in St. Edmunds College, Department of English.
Kami nahi le hen pilun sitlo kachen na wangko chu hi le Modbung Kangpo district Manipur tutu a Silonga kachen na chu hi le Nungchimay hin tua college ka kai na hi le St. Edmunds College Department of Commerce.
Ke ma min che hi le hat pa hoi chongloi le mo khong apa na hung ka hi in tu a hin Nong Silian Rafael Hostel a hu ka umin Shillong College History Department kasimin tu a hin
ke ma min hi le Sailin thang thovum kongkon do da Modbung Kangpo district to a kum na hi le laimu a Bringer of Light Hostel a tuta dia kasim na college le St. Edmund English department a kahin
ke ma min cho hele ning hoi ling nei se kahung kon do na chele kholjang bang ho Kangpo district tua college kai na hi hele St. Anthony's College Department of Political Science.
Kamin chu le Kelvin le golun hin from Churchampur Lamka tua hi laimua kaumin ka college le St. Edmunds College from education department
Ke mai kai le Manipura khun khwa thingboy hang sing le se hang sing chanu hlum pen le nal pen kim ngai jing hang sing kim bong ka hin ta hi college Shillong College microbiology department ka pursue
ke mamin chu let min lal ho ki bahin kong kun na Ukhrul district a Mongkot chepu ka hin tu hin Stephen Hola ko min St. Anthony's College Geology Department ho ka hin.
Myself, Sylvia Chongpi Hoi Misao. I was born and raised in a village called Modbung Salem Colony from Kangopui district. Currently, I'm pursuing my BA first semester
at St. Anthony College from the Department of Political Science.
กามินจุฮีเลทั้งมิลลาคงไซกองโกนโดนะคูมินจุฮีเลเจปูยาวเลนหินจะเลตุตัวฮีเซนแอนโทนีคอลเลจอากาอิน Department จุฮีเล Economics.
My name is Ngai Zhou Ching, and right now I'm currently studying at St. Mary's College from the Department of Geography. My permanent address is Emmanuel Kopi, and my current address right now is in Lai Mukra.
Cái mà mình thình này vợ chồng lối cái càng bộ bị áo cô na không cái in cho tiếng là cái Saint Anthony College Psychology Department cái in cho tiếng
I'd like to request Reverend Dr. Hem Humang to please come on stage and say a prayer for our freshers.
Freshers ho focus ahiziin mipi kanung ngat dingin a umin ke themautin cha te hon thip ben hin ngai win lang aim in life nesata ta nesai da ovin kahin ki pa pi win tital han chen tu chunga asiol ning editorial bu na ko na ke so members silong ho focus article khat sundinga eningan sinaw he chi achai na lang paragraph ni kan sim do a tauna kaman pi ding nahi ve article a topic chun achiding nahi ve ati in alam do hilna implication Ichen tam now Manipur Nagaland Chile Assam Sungho Hindal ha state chum le adia Meghalaya state sunga Kukichate Simlai Khangdong ho nang ho hi Kukinampi adinga achi nahi ve nanu na pa na ule na nauten nahin handa uva nazil na chi uva lol hinga gapha sodingin nahin solu ahi silong hi kukicha te dinga thim jil na le na to na zala khosa na khopi hola a mun kilem mun nom mun nai chule mun kitu pen ahi kitile seiwal hilauding ahi akhopi pompi hi natural air condition tia ki he mun ahin thokang vai si in mi asu boy lo na mun thing ta zong ahi chichi ke hi lova agam nei te zong azi apol beya mi mo su lungling lao hi lo u ahi chichi ho zo se chung chona silong Meghalaya sunga khosa kukicha te dinga ta sa le lagaw lama dinga kiloi khom na thum kinei kime ke so silong chule KWS ho hi kilung thu phu that khe a ding khom wa kukicha te office na tong sum kol ve chule simlai asang anim ho dinga conducive community environment hoita maintain ahi inam pumpi win hasat gan theina chungnung pen atu laya jong pathen phathei bo achan nazala thim jil theile kam bol theina lai khangdong ho nang ho hi nampi adinga achi nahiu ahi hezi chun tu ni a khole veng igam le inam hu do nadinga in le lo mun dal halwa pangjing na khangdon chanpi nam chapa chanu ho khunung ding puma na bol na to zo siwa pathin ying le ngai lu na nei ta a pan la jinga ga pha le ga tam ta so dingin I ho zingo pakai pathenin pathaina ling serin nabo chi tauhan Keiman kape thelo pathen thua kona pathei bona เห็นสมิงกะทินให้กันละพัดและมีปีนอาเมนติวตีนเจียวพัดและเต่านักกันในเดเฮจาเตนเอาเตโฮอินละโลนูละปาลอยละกูลคูเลแวงซุงเห็นดาลาอาสิลงมุนาทีมจิลนาจะโจมจิลดิงานะฮุงกัลโซนุตะกิลหนาตูจะนานี่หินจิงว่าป้าประเทศจูเหล่าปีนเลจอยนาจังตาเห็นอาฮุงลงดิ่งนิโคฮับตาลากุมเฮจิสุงาลำโจมาจิลนานี่หินในนดีว่ากันเทียโซนตัวนิวเละปากายจินในหินเฮาจิวฮันจะก็ประเทศมินจุนในจิงจิงฮันประเทศนินอามุนเทงพุงอาโกนินนังฮอกิทัวปีดิงหินโซลหันลังใจยอนลังอาโกนจุนนับปันปีดิงูนับเตยูฮันปากายจินนังฮอพัทไทนโบอุฮันในจิงจิงอุฮันปากายจินนัจุงว่าอามายว่าสัลวะหันลังนังฮอดิงอินนัลุงซีจิงอุฮันปากายจินนัจุงจางอูเห็นเวหันลังเฮติจุนนังฮอจำนะนับปีจิงอุฮันอิบอนจาวินอาเมนติวติเกมันตาวนะเฮเนงกตีกิเขลตีในเราหิงจิงละวะจิงไงลุนาดิมปาปะเทนมีอินสุชิมิดิงเลดัลมองซัลดิงาเอโกนาวาเอบอลนาวาซังเกฮอฮินวางาฮิลวานังมาฮินซาลากะฮินาบองบังาในไงลุดวาเกานามุนจันวาตุนิจันเกียในจินโฮยจาลุนกายกิปาวินนมิโลปีกะทงวันเฮกุมซอมงาซอมกุมาสงาปะเดนสิลงมุนากังโคสาวินจิลนเลโตนซาเลนตูนินจงตัมตะกะคอมเทยุนกายกิปาวินนมิโลปีกะทงวันเฮตูจุงาอินลัมอัสสามนากาแลนด์มณิปูร์อาโกนาเทมนาจีนาลัมโจมโจมาฮงกัลโซนาชาติโอกิปาปีนเลคิติลเขานดิงาเกโซสิลงินอหินกุนกุมซอมกุเลลิลินนะไม่ทะเลมนักินกุนฮิจิซาลินกะกิปาวินนมโลปีกะทงวัดเฮฮิจิตอลนาลำโจมโจมาจิลนันเอดิงาฮงกัลซอนชาติโฮทุมปีเลตาวปีเทียนไอก้อยซาลุนจังกะกิปาวินนมโลปีกะทงวัดเฮกิฮอนกับเปเทลูตาสาดัมเทนาเปจอมจิงวินลังลุงทิมจีนาปิลนาเปจอมจิงวินลังอวัยกุนอวัยลุนูนังมันเวียงเบจอมจิงอินลอยพะโลละกาวพะโลมิดพะโลลุงทิมพะโลวาโกนินเวียงเบจอมจิงวินลังลุงเลละโมงาอบอลโตดิวอบอลอโตเทวาโลลิงตาตาองฮิวานิคันนิเลอินสุงาอนุปาปีพูโคสุงแวงสุงเฮาบุงเลนำมิเตฮอนอัมโฮซาลานมินลาวปีกะหินทังวะโตเปเทนดีวินกะตาวุนเอเฮเฮจินดิงาจุตาสันดอลากะปูโจเซฟนาอุมปีอาจีนานะปีอาอลอยกอลมังเกวิลวาapakai pa farau leng pa mangjing jong na le sa bangin angai chat na chanwa ale khasim naw nang makin la dong alam chom choma zo chana ki man cha naw nang man lagaw thenga ko na lung thim chi na na pe ba am ho sim do han lang oztel na hil ho hi jong le het thim the na na pe ba a het ho chin the naอาจินโฮอามุลเลพัดดุงจุยาเซยทอดิ้งหันลังสุดทอดิ้งจงแหล่มันจะเทมเทนานเปวาโอปาปเทนลอลิงตาตาองเฮวาอามโฮซาลาอินสุงาโฮบุงสุงาคุสุงเวียงสุงานามานามินลาวปีทังวะนามายจาม ลุยดูอาเทนดิ่งจ้าเทหอนคนอากันลันเฮอามอนลุงโมงาเทมนจินาซิลนโจนดิ่งว่าอานาดิ่งว่าโจโจเสียดิ่งอนุปาอวนาวากุนาสุมเลปายาหุปังหอท้าสำนันในโลเฮลาไงจันหอสุบลิกโจจิงไทยนดีวินอินลังอากุนาเฮปันหินลานูเลปาเตหอโจสิจงนางมาปุยจำดินกตาวินเฮอาสุงว่าอาซิลนาวเกี่ยวฮิลวา society และหกุงอาดิงาปันละเทยเนจนาจงมันจะพาสูดีวตินจงกตาวินเฮลอยพะโลวาโกนินแวงบิดจอมจิงุนอาเจวาเลนาวาเกงอาลังการยาลัมละนาจงเลอเลนลังอันเนวฮิจงเลดัมเซลาไวกุนวาลอลินโตไวลงจิงเทดิงอินคนอากันลานุนเฮอานามุนเซนวาโฮสเทลฮันลังอินบาฮาราโฮฮิจงเลมีลุงเซตไงลุนนาจังเทียเอามวาเอามนฮอลุงเซตไงลุนนาจันวาอามโฮซาลาอมปีฮอวินจังปัจจุบันในเทนดิวินคนอากันลานุนเฮนัทัวติลเขานานัทัวคนนับพัทเทโบจันนาเนเหงากระทุมกระพัดเตาเป็นหอเราเป็นเละจอยนันงมาจังจำจึงเงินลังนามินโคสานยาลนับพัทเทโบนาจันุเตโฮจัปเตโฮนุงากลงอสุงานังมาพลเดบังเงินในเปวินเตียหาจุงนุงปกายยิสุคริสต์มินากตาวเฮอาเมน